Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 150 amp 0 to 100 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This item is like new, tested, ready to ship today. It also comes with a remote and digital meters. We'll go ahead and show you the inside. Overall dimensions for this is 32 inches by 24 inches by 45 inches high and weighs roughly 645 pounds. All right, we'll go ahead and turn it on for you guys to take a look. Right there. If you're interested in purchasing this item, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or email us at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.